Okay, welcome to another account management video. This is the third video, and I will go over these accounts. These are individuals that are in our account management program. They allow us to trade on their accounts. Okay, so check out the other videos. I'll be doing this periodically. So let's get started. This is we have one that's MT5, so let's go ahead and check on that account here. And they're pretty much, they made $65 for this week. Okay, so let's go ahead and check the history, see what their story is. It looks like this is pretty much how they came to us, and the negative. And we're gonna go ahead and let's see where they are. Deals. Okay, here it is. All right, so when they came to us, they pretty much came to us just like what you see here. All right, with a negative balance or whatever you see here. They withdrew money and et cetera, et cetera. And now I'm going to go ahead and collect on their profit. Okay, so they're fairly new. These trades, you can see the dates that they were opened. Let's see if I could find the date here. Okay. All right, well, let's see here. I'll go ahead and collect on the profit anyhow. So they're pretty much all in profit, so that's a good thing. So go ahead and collect on this here and collect profit there. We'll collect profit on here as well. We'll go ahead and collect profit here. And we'll collect profit here as well. So they are better off than they were when they first started. Let's see. And they profited $101.91. Okay, so they're up $101.91. So that's what they profited today. Okay, now let's move on to the other accounts. These are the MT4 accounts here, MetaTrader 4. Some of these individuals, again, I won't go over all of them, but I'll just give you a quick little rundown on the good, the bad, and the ugly. All right. So the bad, you have individuals that they just pretty much freak out, and that's why we always encourage all of our members to read Easy Forex Trading. Read the ebook so that you'll be on the same page. You'll understand exactly what's going on. You'll understand how everything works. You'll understand why the trades are doing what they're doing. And basically, it's just like a seed. I explained it in the ebook. It's like a seed. You plant a seed in the ground. You must give it time to grow. Be patient. Just wait. The market is going to do its thing. No need to freak out. Allow the market to do its thing, and as long as you follow the strategy that is placed in the ebook, that is explained in the ebook, that's the same strategy that's being used in the account management. It's the same strategy that's used in the signals, and that's it. So no need to freak out. No need to freak out and start doing something drastic, or there's just no need for that. This whole thing is about learning how to be calm, cool, and collected, and learning not to go on your emotions. This has nothing to do, well, I won't say it has nothing to do with emotion, but it has more to do with following the strategy that is more technical in nature. All right, I'll just put it like that. All right, so enough with the ugly and the bad part of the account management. That's really the ugly and the bad part of it. Okay, now let's talk about the good part. The good part is collecting the profit, following the strategy that's explained in the ebook that is titled Easy Forex Trading, and being patient. That's the good part. All right, so let's look at some of these accounts. All right, so no, that person left. That person bailed ship. Okay, here we go. This individual here. All right, so they are in profit. I'm going to go ahead and just close everything, and they're $87 in profit. So I'm going to go ahead and collect here. And here, the date on this you can see a lot easier, okay? That's the 17th, okay? So the other one was the 17th as well. And I'm going to go ahead and collect on that as well. And we'll collect on that as well. We'll place some trades next week and see where they are with their profit. So they collected $87 in profit this week, okay? They were down. They had a really bad trade that they took on their account, but they're up $87 today, and next week they'll do a lot better, all right? And let's go ahead and check out on some other accounts here. Let's see here. Let's see what's going on with this account. This person is up $290, almost $300. We'll go ahead and collect on these as well. And we'll close that one out. It's a small loss, 54 cents. And then but overall, close to $300 in profit for this week. Okay. And this week, a little bit of a slow week because of the Christmas holiday and some other, slow movements, but still, $300 to collect for the week. That's not bad at all. All right, so we just finished collecting for this person here. And let's see where they are at. So they made $290 in profit. All right, so let us go to the next account. Let's go ahead and collect. This person made $108 in profit. So we're going to go ahead and collect for this person as well. And they should be happy for that. And the new year is approaching, so we're looking for some really good opportunities that are going to come our way. All right. This person made $233. We're going to go ahead and collect profit for this person as well. All right. I'm going to go ahead and collect all of this profit for them. And we're going to contact them as well. If you join account management, you'll also be able to communicate with managers, and they'll communicate through the website, email. They'll keep you posted, keep you updated what's going on with your account. And I have to do a review video, and the review videos are basically people, happy. I mean, people who appreciate what we do, basically, and they're happy with collecting profit. All right, here's another person here. Let's see. Okay, there's 2 trades in their account, but they did well. All right, and they collected profit. I think they had more trades. They must have collected profit on their own. I forgot to go back to the other one to see how much they made for the week or for the day, and see. This person made $54 in profit and $36 altogether for the week. All right, small account, but still they made money. Let's see, what was the other one that just... All right, we collected on this one here. This person made $287 in profit. That was the one that I forgot to check. All right, so let's move this a little faster. Let's go ahead, almost done here. Let's collect for this individual here. This individual, this is their second account. We traded on 2 accounts for them, and they pretty much were happy with our services. So they said, "Hey, I have another account for you. Will you trade on that one?" We said, "Yeah, most definitely." So we collected for them. Let's see, check on there. So $126 in profit for the day. That's pretty good. Let's see. Actually, that's for the week, really. All right. Let's see. Let's go to this person here. Almost at the end here. Okay. So we're just collecting here, huh? I mean, we're just collecting. It's not as much as the other week. I think we collected almost. I don't remember, but so much numbers every day. I see looking numbers nonstop. But for the most part, positive numbers. Looking at positive numbers, and sticking to the strategy here. All right. I keep forgetting to check what was the profit for the week. All right. So they're at they profited $47 for the week. It was not a big strong profit, but $120. Okay, so this week was not really like a strong, powerful, profitable week, but it's better than losing, or better than making nothing at all. So it's another account here. We're collecting here, and this is pretty much what we do. We place trades, and then we collect the profits for you. And these are the same. If you go to if you take our signals, these are the same things that are in our signals, by the way. You go to our signals, it's the same thing. What we use in the account management, we also use in the signals as well. Let's see, I think I'm getting, this is 2 more, and then after this is going to be the last one. Oh, wait a minute. I forgot to go back to check what was the weekly profit for that individual here. How much did they make profit for the week? 174. Okay. All right, so that's good. All right, so let's go back here. And we collected here. No, $84. Let's collect. All right. Oh my goodness. I'm too late on this one. Can you believe it? Okay. Well, we'll collect for this person when the market opens next week. Okay. And let's see, hopefully this person I can collect for this individual. Okay, good. This one here, the amounts are small, and we're going to have to do something different because the leverage on this account may have been really, really low. That might have been the issue here, but we'll be sure to add more lot sizes on this account here to make sure that they maximize on their profit, because they got pretty much, if you notice, a lot of these are almost perfect, but not near perfect. So if this one would have had higher lot sizes, so $33, they could have profited maybe $300. So we'll be sure to make an adjustment on that one as well. Okay, so that is it. We have pretty much went through all the accounts that are on this device here, and then the other people that have collected profit in their other account management for the other managers, they have also done the same already. All right. So if you're interested in account management, it's simple. Just hit us up. That's all. I mean, signals, read the ebook. I mean, this stuff works. It's like, I don't try to make too much videos about talking about how much it works. It just got to see for yourself. That's all. If it's for you, then it's for you. If it's not, then it's not. Okay? But either way, I'm wishing you all happy holidays and a good 2020. Let's start this 2020 off right. Get in on this. If you haven't, start now. If you were in the past and you somehow, you're still in our network, but you're not participating for whatever reason, come back. Get this right. Get this year started off right. Let's do this thing the right way. Let's make it happen for real. All right? Happy trading. Happy investing.